Hey everybody, it's Elaine again. Thanks for coming back to see me. Well, I'm doing some more cards, turning those cards, those greeting cards, into fun little writing journals for us. So the one I've got today is kind of silly, is friends. And inside it says just a little note that's being sent your way to let you know you're in my thoughts each and every day. Now, isn't that sweet? So what would be sweeter is if you sent that card and inside was a little writing journal. So this case, it's not real thick. So I just have put a paper clip on it. Now, of course, you could do something different. Tie a bow around it or a belly band or a ribbon up and down or around. That's up to you. This is, it's to be played with. Now here in the side, I did do paw print paper only because of the pups on the front. And then inside of that little pocket, just have an auction ticket where there's plenty of room to write on the back. And it says, we make a good pair since you're sending it to your friends. And then again, a place to keep, for you to write, keep writing. And then just some tickets that have some smiley faces on them. I thought they were sweet since you'll be sending it to a friend. Stick those back in there. Now, again, kind of simple, just places for you to write or whoever gets this to write. But with a little whimsy here and there. Be their star. Some plan paper. Now this is a paint chip. I get different kind of paint chips than what you see in the store with my job. So I get pretty much industrial strength ones. Here is the signature tie. Again, you can attach things to it or go on and cut them off. The other half to that, yep, you see it. One side is kind of a burnt orange. The other side is a green. Different kind of paint swatches, I'm telling you. So memories with you and your friends. An arrow of friends. Again, plenty of little places to write. That is a faux stitch. It's a rub-on. A little flower. And then the note. Now in this case, I didn't put a pocket because it kind of was down low and left plenty of places for you to write. Now I did cover up the whole back of this card, from having the greeting on there and the barcode down here for the price. So I did cover that whole card up, or whole back up, excuse me. Put the little paper clip on there, and there you go. So if you would, and if you're interested in this, I do have just one more that I haven't done left. And I'm going to put this up in my Etsy shop. And I hope you go over and see what else I have. So I thank you for coming by. This is going to be short and sweet today. And I will catch y'all down the road. Toodaloo. Bye-bye.